I'ma stand on it. That's big business. Whole life got a stamp on it. That's big living. Real talk got his hands on me. I'm God witness. Up top got a plan for me. Get real busy. Everybody tryna ride away. Look, I'm tryna ride a beat. It don't really matter anyways. No, it don't bother me. I've been walking at a different pace. Since I was like 15. Lil T was tryna beat the case. Whoa, but he ain't standing heat. I had to let go. A lot of them folks back home. They wasn't feeling the high road. I had to stand up and get gone. Cause they tryna flop for real. I'm tryna pop for real. They shot at my pops for real. Man, put me in the spot for real. If I said it, I'ma stand on it. That's big business. Whole life got a stamp on it. That's big living. Real talk got his hands on me. I'm God witness. Up top got a plan for me. Get real busy. Tell him it's up. Ain't no minimum front. Man, you coming or what? Man, now you coming or what? And you know it's stuck. So I cannot go back to the way it was. Got the cross on my back.
Cause they want my spot for real. Yeah, they hoping I stop for real. They can't understand why his hands on me, but just understand I'ma stand on. Know I got a ways to go, but I won't be complacent, no. Yeah, you see the patience going for greatness. I gotta take it. What was they thinking? I keep a head to this work, it ain't easy.
I keep an eye for a snake in a demon.
I got a wifey that love me and need me. I gotta protect, so don't give me a reason. I mean what I say and I'm locked in. I was ready right when I clocked in. I done popped since, but I'm not content. I need top 10.
If I said it, I'ma stand on it.